Hello guys, my name is Rifa and my friend Rafli. We
I'm going to show you
how to drive motorbike
safely.
and safety.
Okay,
First you
you need a
need
helmet,
and you need a key
Hmm?
so that you put the
And-
key and
Turn.
you turn the key. You start the engine.
And you need to wait for a couple of minutes to make sure the engine is hot. Semua orang tuh. After the engine is hot, make sure you put on the helmet.
Kan belum jalan, masih itu cara jalannya.
For you to go, you need to hold the clutch like this and put the gear to one. Like this. To go, you need to release the clutch slowly and turn the gas. And that's how you ride motorcycle safely. Jangan Bong. Pelan-pelan ya, takutnya ada anak-anak di sini ntar gue dimarahin. 1, 2, 3. Gak usah tes bonus clip. Udah ada matiin.
Gue ngomong hello ya.
Iya.
Oh hello.
And if you need
If you need to up your gear, you pull the foot up, and if you need the down gear, you push your foot down.
like so.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, bye, bye.